All right, so we are here again at Lucian Country Life, and that's the tour guide head, Jeremy. And we got a nice bunch of persons who have just done the experience. So as you come through, just come to the camera and tell us what this meant for you here at Lucian Country Life.
Really good fun, very informative and very interesting.
Excellent adventure, definitely do it again.
Very authentic part of St. Lucia.
Brilliant, really good fun. Had a good laugh, but informative as well. Worth doing.
Very nice guides and generous, happy people.
Had a nice time. Brilliant tour.
It was great. Fascinating experience. Thank you very much.
It's nice. We enjoyed it and seen the spice. It's like Spice Garden anyway. And we got some rubbing ointment. My husband got it. Whether it worked, then it's nice.
It was great touring, thank you.
Hello Arthur, educational for my son and for me a great experience of seeing how the old time of St. Lucia lived. So a thumbs up, well done Lucia.
What do I say? Best for the tourism to see what the plantation in the world and herbs and that. Be happy. Now, are you going to say something?
Sorry, learned a lot about your heritage. You're quite educational. With the help of a guide, I learned a lot about the vegetation, and you were quite helpful, very knowledgeable. Thank you.